Animals often get into trouble, and even a small problem can push them into a corner, and they often turn to humans for help. Today, we will look back at these incredible moments together. Surely, your faith in humanity will be restored. Garbage, hooks, and fishing gear carelessly left by humans cause endless suffering for marine animals. This giant whale shark was one of the victims, pierced by a painful hook. Luckily, it met a kind rescuer, the angel that freed it from a lifetime of torment. An extremely surprising phenomenon occurred on the Brazilian coast when up to 30 dolphins washed ashore at the same time. Luckily for them, they met kind souls here. It was great to see such a successful rescue. This poor whale was trapped in a fishing net off the coast of Patagonia. The Chilean Navy spent hours diving after it, determined to set it free. After countless efforts, they finally succeeded, and the whale regained its long-awaited freedom. Doctors had to use sedatives to be able to reach the sea lion, whose rope was tightly tied around its neck. I honestly can't imagine the pain this sea lion is going through. It will certainly have a better life after being helped by humans. It was an emotional moment, right? After helping the pufferfish escape from the fishing line, this beautiful angel didn't forget to clean up the trash on the seabed. How wonderful this world would be if we could all do meaningful things like she does. Trapped in a sewer for 2 days, the dog's eyes showed fatigue and despair, but it will soon return to a peaceful life because its guardian angels are here. Stuck with its head and legs stuck in the wire fence, the horse could only wait helplessly for help. Without letting it wait too long, this nice guy quickly helped the horse get out of this difficult situation. And this manatee was stranded under a bridge. Immediately after discovering it was alive, many kind people participated in rescuing it. It's great to see so many people doing such good work.
Earlier this week, SeaWorld's rescue team.
An impressive rescue. 19 manatees were trapped in a sewer. The rescue team worked all night, and they successfully returned it to the wild. After the historic flood in Argentina, many heroes participated in the rescue of livestock. The images show that no matter how difficult the situation is, people will not abandon animals. During another flood in Abbotsford, British Columbia, about 50 dairy cows were rescued by people from flooded areas. Hopefully, these pitiful images will soon end.
Leave them. I mean, on one hand it breaks my heart, but on the other, help each other, and that's what they're doing. And so
The baby deer lay sadly when he was stuck in a small flooded creek. But luckily, these two kind men discovered it and helped it get out of trouble. After searching, the man discovered his sheep stuck in a muddy ditch. The sheep weighed up to 120 kilograms and were covered in mud, making rescue difficult. But with determination, he finally brought it home safely.
Hi.
This sheep got into trouble while trying to search for food in the barn. Luckily, the owner discovered it and helped it escape. This is definitely a memorable lesson for this greedy sheep. This giant crocodile's house was left with only thick mud, so the rescue workers decided to help it move. With a body weighing several hundred kilograms, 6 people were unable to pull it ashore. They can only succeed with the support of a car winch. Hopefully, the crocodile will have a better life in its new home. No matter how dangerous and ferocious wild animals are, when faced with your kindness, they also appear friendly and adorable. Will you admit that to me? This dog accidentally fell into a deep cave in the forest. Maybe it will have to wait for death to come slowly, but luckily, foresters discovered and saved the dog's life.
Let it in. You're choking. Let me get to the... All right. Mission accomplished here. Got the dog out.
And this hedgehog got stuck in a water pipe and couldn't get out on his own. But don't worry, this nice guy will get his freedom back soon. When the bear was discovered trapped in a wolf trap, these brave men braved danger when facing an angry bear. Luckily, the bear was free and no one was injured.
You're free. Get out of here.
Suspected the leopard is stuck in a tree. After a dose of tranquilizer, when staff approached the leopard, they discovered the cable wrapped tightly around its body. Immediately, they removed the cable and helped it regain its freedom. A falling tree accidentally crushed the innocent raccoon. Perhaps he would have to wait for a slow death if he was not lucky enough to meet these kind men.
He'll pull himself out. There we come. Alrighty.
Hey, don't steal my coat.
That is amazing.
The turtle was tired of being stuck on the beach, but luck has found solace in the presence of kind men. It will be very grateful to them when it returns to the ocean.
Whoa.
The scene was so horrifying when a kitten accidentally fell from the balcony onto the corrugated iron roof below. The boy did not hesitate to take off his shirt and succeeded in catching the kitten. A happy smile filled his face. Sorry, sir.
Where?
Oh, this deer is helpless, trapped in the water canal, and it would certainly drown there if this kind soul did not help in time.
The most amazing places, these animals. Right, hopefully, so I should put on a pair of gloves so it doesn't get humid.
Oh, you're very bitey for a little fox cub.
A young fox stuck in a soccer net was rescued by a dedicated lifeguard. It was great to witness the moment the fox regained his freedom.
Football nets always, I'm afraid, quite dangerous to wild animals. You can go home to your mum and dad, or your mum probably. You know, are you going to go home? Come on in.
Let's see what Cooper does.
Being stuck at the top of a tall tree makes the cat seem scared, but its worries will disappear immediately because the cat's guardian angel has appeared.
Come to me. Come on, Cooper. It's okay. That's a good boy. Climb. Before you let him off out of the bag.
After the rescue team rescued the horse from the hole, perhaps people should consider filling the hole so that similar situations don't happen again. One life ends and a new life begins. The rescue team successfully rescued the baby kangaroo from its deceased mother. We can see that this life is a cycle of rebirth.
He's got his antlers caught in it.
Remove all that fence from the antlers.
Too many people are untrained and unprepared to properly perform a rescue, and they may even harm the animals. Thank you for the dedication of these kind people to regaining the deer's freedom.
Right.
The man took risks to guide the elephants safely across the river. This is exactly the embodiment of a hero. No words can praise the wonderful, but also extremely dangerous intervention of the police officers in rescuing this poor deer.
You all right? Yeah, I'm good. Come to a place that is warm and well cared for. That's what the rescue team wanted after their efforts to rescue the kitten from the deep well. Curiosity caused the cow to get stuck in the tree. Maybe it's in pain and fear. After much effort and danger for both man and cow, he finally helped it escape the situation.
Пробуй сразу за рог его бери, чтобы он без
A
веревок
small
достанет.
water hole almost became a large grave for this deer. Hypothermia caused the deer to
А
need
теперь
5 strong men
сваливай,
to drag
тяни,
it out.
тяни. Он не станет вообще. Еще, чтобы задние ноги вылезли. Все. Уходи. Хотя бы от ямы его труп отогнать.
In the midst of a drought in India, a thirsty giant cobra did the unthinkable. It sought human help. A woman's gentleness in helping a baby koala reunite with its mother created a truly heartwarming moment. A tragically disabled elephant finds hope in human kindness. Experts created a prosthetic leg and helped the poor elephant restore his ability to walk. Well, a crocodile wasn't exactly a threat, but more like a friend who approached the man to enjoy a great meal on the Tarcoles River in Jaco, Costa Rica. The actions of Jason and his friends are proof of an unexpected friendship.
realized his friend was in danger after falling into the swimming pool. This smart dog performed an amazing rescue. The owners were extremely happy to see that they were all safe. This giant elephant fell into a 40-foot deep well. Local people came to help the poor animal with the help of an excavator. Thank God, after many hours of effort, they successfully rescued the elephant. This little hedgehog just needs a little more courage to get over the fence. This kind man constantly gave him more motivation to help him gain more courage. Even when the floods were devastating, this horse's hope was still shined by kind men. They successfully rescued and brought the horse to shore safely. The kangaroo's failure in trying to get over the fence was quickly dealt with by a kind man. Now is the time to return to freedom. The nets in the garden accidentally become traps for small animals like this squirrel. But don't worry, compassionate hearts will always be there at the right time to help them. Even though the cat appears scared when facing strangers, the kind rescue worker quickly helped it escape from the car engine.
Day for you, you don't realize it, but it is.
After a period of silence, waiting for these kind men to help, the baby deer was able to say thank you. This koala obediently cooperated so the couple could help it escape the fence. Now, goodbye to the lovely koala. It's just a small action by the guy, but it has great meaning for this beautiful bird. Have you ever seen a turtle stuck in a fence? Thanks to the man's help, the turtle regained his freedom. Instead of ignoring the puppy stuck in the ice, this kind-hearted man was like a fire that came to warm the frozen puppy. His actions are admirable. The way they handle it seems quite extreme, but I agree with their method of quickly helping the cow escape the swamp, and this is the ending I expected. Thanks to the man's timely intervention, the weary giraffe was able to escape the fence and find safety once again.
He's alive. He's alive. He's going. We just saved him. Yes.
In a beautiful act of kindness, the man helped the honey badger escape from the tree, giving it the opportunity to live freely once more.
Yes! Yes!
Worried about the puppy's stillness, he immediately jumped into action. His determination led to a miraculous revival. After days of abandonment, the dog was weak and starving. Thankfully, a compassionate woman took him in and gave him a new life. Getting his head stuck in a tire was probably the worst moment this dog has ever experienced. It cannot get out of there on its own and can only wait for help from rescuers. Facing the shark has an aggressive nature. The brave diver was determined to help it escape the hook so it could have a better life. Is this turtle trying to sunbathe on the sand? It would probably dry up there if he didn't help it turn its body over so it could return to the sea.
So amazing to do.
The thin ice cracked, trapping the dog in the pool, but thankfully its owner was home to help. Oh my god, this moment made my heart attack, and that feeling only disappeared when the man stopped the car and helped the cat escape danger. Facing the flood made the cat feel confused and scared. But don't worry too much. Human will never abandon you in any difficult situation. With determination, they pulled the struggling dog onto the boat, offering it warmth and safety away from the frigid water. The brave girl faced the poisonous snake head-on, calmly offering it a glass of water despite the risks involved. The rescue team swiftly arrived to help the adorable raccoons. After a challenging effort, they successfully reunited them with their mother. Without rescue workers, this dog might have starved with the box stuck on its head. Thankfully, they gave him a chance at a new life. Despite injuring his hand, the man rushed to free the puppy from the pipe. His quick action made a difference. The expression on this dog's face tells a heartbreaking story of longing for rescue. Fortunately, it was saved and is now safe. Watching wild boars interact gently with humans over shared food filled me with warmth and joy, proving that kindness knows no boundaries. He doesn't have to save the world to be a hero. Just one small act of helping an animal in need is what he deserves. I truly admire these individuals for standing by their pets during tough times, wishing a swift recovery for the cat.
Yo, they're looking for their cat.
Witnessing a brave man disregard his own safety to save a cat from a 6-story balcony was inspiring. His selflessness makes him a true hero. Floodwaters pose a serious threat, but thanks to the rescue team, this dog found safety and hope. This baby deer lost its mother and struggled to survive alone. Fortunately, kind people took it in and cared for it until it was ready for the wild. Finally, they released it back to its home.
Here.
After being washed ashore, the little shark received a second chance when compassionate tourists helped it back into the sea. Spotting an unconscious puppy, he rushed to perform CPR. His swift actions brought the puppy back to life. Watching the man rescue each puppy from the cave filled me with joy. It was a heartwarming sight. When he discovered his puppy was having a seizure, the owner gently encouraged and calmed him down, creating a moment of warm and loving care in a dangerous situation. In the next video, 2 tourists rescue a turtle trapped in a rock crevice. Despite its size, their hard work pays off as they help it back to the ocean. Imagine how hard this turtle struggled with a net stuck on it for days. Thankfully, kind people came to the rescue. It's heartbreaking how many marine animals suffer from pollution and don't get a second chance like this turtle. Thanks to this dedicated rescue team, a stranded mother killer whale was saved at low tide and joyfully reunited with her calf. This canoe happened to pass by and witnessed an astonishing sight: a sea turtle being pursued by a tiger shark. Realizing that humans were its last hope for survival, the turtle summoned all its remaining strength to swim towards the boat. Fortunately, the presence of humans deterred the tiger shark, and the turtle was rescued. Sometimes giant creatures also need help from human. This elephant was stuck under a dam and couldn't get to shore. The people here created a rescue ladder to help the elephant climb up. After about 3 hours of rescue, the elephant was finally able to climb ashore and return to his forest. Oh my God. The baby elephant clumsily fell into the ditch, and he thought his family would leave without him. But instead, they called for humans to help. And with the help of an excavator, humans were able to free the baby elephant. The mother elephant looked towards the humans as if thanking the kind people. After a terrible earthquake, this man lost everything, but he still had his most valuable possession, his dog. Truly a touching story. A desperate mother dog was begging passers-by for help, but this guy was the only one who took the time to help. He followed her and saved 2 little lives. Thanks to the mother's love and this guy's kindness, the 2 puppies are safe. This mother was very panicked when she heard her cubs screaming for help, but couldn't do anything to help. But the mother can rest, assured that her cubs are in good hands. That's all for today. Have you ever helped an animal in need? Share your story in the comments below. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.